Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to change your voice on TikTok. So initially you want to maybe film or upload a video. So we're going to press on the plus mark right at the bottom. And now we can either click record, move it over to the 60 seconds, record myself, or I can upload something by pressing on this little thing right there where it says upload. So we're going to press on that, scroll a little bit up, and then we're going to click this video. So I've never been on TikTok before. Decrease the volume so you guys can hear me. And now on the bottom right where you see the little arrow pointing down, we're going to press on that. And then we're going to click on voice. So now we're brought to the AI voice generator. And I like the voice called Spill. So we're going to press that. It's going to process. And now I can scroll back down.
Yeah, so I've never been on TikTok before, but they told me to do it.
And that's how you add the AI voice on TikTok. So hope this video was helpful, and thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.